In this video, we will explain what to keep in mind before submitting your project to AgroServ. The AgroServ consortium is at the heart of the project and consists of 11 research infrastructures. Additionally, AgroServ offers socio-economic services through some of our partners, which makes up our 12th unofficial research infrastructure. These research infrastructures cover different scientific domains and offer diverse research services, from understanding global change drivers on ecosystems to animal husbandry and biomedical imaging. 5 of our research infrastructures are ERICs, European Research Infrastructure Consortiums. This is important if you're interested in their platforms for your research. More on that in a minute. There are 2 main points to keep in mind if you want to submit your project to AgroServ. Your project should be interdisciplinary and transnational. Is your project combining 2 or more scientific disciplines managed by 2 or more of AgroServ's 12 research infrastructures? Are the services you want to use located outside your country of residence? For example, if you are a researcher in France, the services you wish to use must be located outside France. This also applies to virtual access research services. There is, however, an important exception. If any of the services you are applying to belong to a research infrastructure registered as an ERIC, you can use their services domestically. For example, if the service belongs to an ERIC and is located in France, you can use it even if you are based in France. You can also apply to more than 2 research infrastructures for one project, but this has to be well motivated and feasible. The catalogue of services allows you to easily view the available services within AgroServ. You can search using different filters such as scientific domain, name of research infrastructure, country, or specific keywords. The application process is divided into 4 steps. Call for access. Once you have selected the desired services from our catalogue and the call for projects is open, contact the facility managers. They can clarify your research needs and check the feasibility of your proposal, ensuring the services will be available and the project is doable within the project's timeframe. Their contact details are in our online catalogue of services. Submission. After agreeing on the feasibility with the facility managers, submit your application through our online platform. Check the deadline for applications on agroserv.eu. Evaluation. An independent review panel evaluates each project based on our criteria. Projects are assessed for scientific quality, innovation, and relevance to sustainable agriculture and agroecological transition. The panel also considers the integration of previous work, experimental design, and cross-disciplinary collaboration within the proposed project. Implementation. If your project is approved, access to the requested services is granted. You will be contacted by the access providers to begin your project. Access to AgroServ research services and installations is free of charge. Users are reimbursed for travel and accommodation costs. However, AgroServ does not provide salary or stipends. Remember, these are general guidelines. For more details, please check our website. Our team is also available to answer any further questions. Good luck, and thank you for watching.